Imagine a kitchen appliance that's sleek, versatile, and makes cooking feel like a breeze, whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or hosting a festive gathering. This Midea Flexify French door toaster oven. Air fryer combo does exactly that, blending style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology to transform your culinary experience. Awarded Best of KBIS in 2024, this 26.4-quart countertop marvel is more than just an air fryer. It's a 10-in-1 powerhouse that's sparking excitement among home cooks everywhere. Ready to discover why this oven deserves a spot in your kitchen? Let's dive in. Why the Midea Flexify stands out. The Midea Flexify isn't your average kitchen gadget. It's designed to solve real cooking challenges like limited counter space, long preheat times, and the guilt of oil-heavy meals, while adding a touch of elegance to your home. With its stainless steel finish and French door design, it's as much a conversation starter as it is a culinary workhorse. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone who loves experimenting with recipes, this appliance delivers on every front. Here's why it's capturing hearts and taste buds. Massive 26.4-quart capacity. Big enough for a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 chicken wings. Perfect for family meals or party prep. 10 cooking modes for endless creativity. From air frying and roasting to dehydrating and slow cooking, it handles everything with ease. Cyclone air fry technology. Cooks 25% faster than traditional fryers and uses 90% less oil for crispy, guilt-free results. No preheat hassle. The air fry function heats up instantly, so you can go from frozen to fabulous in minutes. Precision control. Adjust temperature in 5-degree Fahrenheit increments, 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and time in 1-minute steps for flawless dishes every time. Sleek and safe design. Anti-scald French doors open with a single pull, reducing burn risks while adding a chic vibe. Easy cleanup. Includes a crumb tray, air fry basket, baking rack, and tray. All simple to clean with warm water or a baking soda paste. Solving your kitchen struggles. Let's face it, cooking can feel like a chore. Ovens take forever to preheat, fryers leave greasy messes, and countertops get cluttered with single-use gadgets. The Midea Flexify tackles these pain points head-on. Its large capacity means you can cook for a crowd without firing up the big oven, saving energy and time. The 90% less oil air frying lets you enjoy crispy fries or wings without the calorie overload, ideal for health-conscious cooks who still crave flavor. Plus, with 10 versatile functions, it replaces multiple appliances, freeing up space and simplifying your routine. Take Sarah, a working mom I know, who used to dread dinner prep. With the Flexify, she now tosses frozen veggies in the air, fry basket, sets the timer, and has a healthy side dish ready in under 15 minutes. Or consider Jake, a weekend chef who loves hosting. He uses the pizza mode for perfect crusts and the dehydrate function to make homemade snacks. This oven adapts to any lifestyle, making cooking fun instead of stressful. Real benefits that make a difference. Healthier meals. Same great taste. The air fryer mode delivers a restaurant-quality crunch with a fraction of the oil, so you can indulge without guilt. Time-saving convenience. Faster cooking and no preheating mean you spend less time in the kitchen and more with loved ones. Clutter-free countertops. This 10-in-1 combo replaces your toaster, slow cooker, and more, keeping your kitchen sleek and organized. Confidence in every dish. Precise controls and even heating, thanks to VDE certified tech, ensure professional results, whether you're baking cookies or roasting chicken. Aesthetic appeal. The stainless steel finish and LED display elevate your kitchen's look, making it a centerpiece you're proud to show off. Perfect for every home cook. Busy families cook large meals quickly, from breakfast toast to dinner roasts. Health enthusiasts air fry with minimal oil for nutritious, delicious food. Small space dwellers, its compact footprint fits apartments or cozy kitchens. Foodie experimenters try new techniques like dehydrating or slow cooking. Entertainers impress guests with perfectly cooked dishes, no stress required. A few things to keep in mind. No appliance is perfect, and the Flexify has a small learning curve. The control knobs might take a few tries to master, but once you get the hang of it, they're intuitive. The exterior and glass doors get hot during use, so keep kids away and use caution. Also, while the manual is straightforward, some users might want more recipe ideas to start. Thankfully, YouTube tutorials and cookbooks, like those by air fryer expert Kathy Yoder, can fill the gap. Why you'll love it. After testing the Midea Flexify, I'm hooked. I air-fried chicken wings that were crispy outside, juicy inside, and guilt-free. I baked a cake on the tray, and it came out even.